Good morning, students. I am J.K. Misra. I'll be teaching you mathematics, and I have done MSc degree in mathematics, and I am teaching mathematics to various students since 20 years. So don't worry, I'll help you in every type of problem, starting from your academic level, that is your board level, as well as IIT JEE. So today we have a simple discussion on trigonometry. As you know, trigonometry is very interesting for all of you, but there is a very small formula that we face at the beginning of the topic, that is 1 radian equal to pi radian equal to 180 degree. You know, radian is a measurement in circular system and degree is a measurement in sexagesimal system. And how we are getting pi radian? You know that pi is 3.14 approximately, and it is also approximately, both are approximation, 22/7. How it comes? If we take the diameter and the circumference, you always get pi. So whether it is small circle or a big circle, it does not matter. That's why pi is a constant for any circle. But thing is that pi radian is 180 degree. How to prove it? We need some tools. That is from class 9. We need two tools. That is, first one is bigger arc makes greater angle. At the center of the circle. And second tools we need from the 9th class, that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. These two things we need to prove that 1 radian equal to 180 degree. So how it will happen? See, we take one simple circle. Now this is the center of the circle O. This part of the circle, end point of the radius is A. Let us extend it till B such that BOA is a diameter. BOA is a diameter. Okay. Now we take here a point C and join it to the center, and we take that the arc length AC is of length R, OA is of length R. That is the definition of 1 radian. 1 radian is defined as what? What is the meaning of 1 radian? 1 radian is defined as the angle made by an arc of length R units at the center of a circle of radius R. Means, what does it mean? If you are taking R units of arc length, this arc length is R unit, and this radius is also R units, then the central angle will be 1 radian. This is the thing. This is the definition of radian. Now, as per the first point, that is arc property of circle, in 9th standard you might be knowing the circle topic has arc property, chord property, angle properties. In the arc property, we have bigger arc make bigger angle at the center. From here we can have an important formula. The formula is that length of arc AC, like this. You know, arc are always measured in anti-clockwise direction. Length of arc AC by length of arc AB, that is semicircle. AB is a semicircle, AB arc. AB arc means the half of the circle, that is equal to 1 radian by 180 degree. How is it? Because you see AC arc is making 1 radian, as you know from the definition of radian, and AB arc is making one straight angle at the center, which we know 180 degree. Now from here we can conclude AC is R and AB is pi r is equal to 1 radian by 180 degree. So here R got cancelled. So we obtained what? Just you see, we cross multiply it. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the process to derive at this formula, that pi radian is 180 degree. That means 3.14 radian is 180 degree. From here we can find, that 1 radian is approximately 57 degree 16 minute 44 seconds. That's all. I think this is a very useful finding, or you can say formula, that you need to remember. Thank you.